So I think I'm gonna make a twist on my favorite apple crostata. It's even better. It's a pear and cranberry crostata. So it's got a great crust, and it's pears and cranberries baked into it. So delicious. I'm starting with 3 pounds of boxed pears. They're really firm, so they're great for baking. Okay. Half a teaspoon of grated orange zest. Orange and pears is just fantastic together. Just gonna stir that through. Okay, that's the pears. Now for the pastry, it's chilling in the fridge. I've made this pastry so often I could do it in my sleep. Put 2 cups of all-purpose flour into the bowl of a food processor fitted with a steel blade. Add 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1/2 pound of very cold, diced unsalted butter. Pulse it until the butter is just the size of peas and the mixture is really crumbly. Then get some ice water. With the motor running, pour in 1/4 cup of the ice water all at once through the feed tube. Stop the machine just before the dough comes together. Turn the dough out onto a well-floured board. Pull it together and cut it in half. Each half is going to make 1 crostata. Then just wrap it in plastic and refrigerate it for at least an hour. When it's rested, roll out the dough into 2 11-inch circles. Then put them on 2 baking sheets lined with parchment paper, and you're ready to go. So the pastry's all rolled out. Now I just need the filling. So I've got the pears all ready, the pears and orange. Just gonna go right in the middle. On top of this, I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of cranberries. Just gives it a little tartness along with the sweetness. It looks great too. 1 tablespoon of cranberries on each tart. I love the combination of cranberries and pears. Okay, now I have a topping to make. So 1/2 cup of flour. This is gonna make the topping for 2 tarts. 1/2 cup of sugar. This is kind of like making the crumble topping for, say, a crisp. It's just right on top of the tart. It's a good combination. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Love cinnamon. Cinnamon, pears, and cranberries. How bad can that be? 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, just to give it a little extra spice. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then butter. I've got really cold butter that's diced. It's 1/4 pound. And I'm just gonna pulse it until it's the size of peas, till the butter is like crumbly. Okay, fabulous. So into a bowl. And so I'm just gonna rub this in between my fingers until it gets really crumbly. You wanna put the crumble on first, and then I'll show you I'm gonna fold the edge right over. Just gonna sort of enclose it. So I'm just gonna take the crust, just fold it right up over the filling and the crumble. That's why it's important to do the crumble first. Just fold it. It just doesn't have to be perfect. You want it to be very rough, very homemade looking. Just fold it right up. So much easier than doing a pie. Into the oven, 450 degrees. It's a really hot oven for 30 minutes, and these are gonna be such good tarts.